Hello everyone, welcome to our Nanhua drumming session. Today we are going to do the second class of part 3 water sleeves drum. The first line is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and we're going to play it twice. Then after is 1 2 3 4 1 4 7 1 4 6 7 5 6 7 8. Now let's try it on a drum using the tempo of 1/10. Ready? 5, 6, 7, Now, let's increase the tempo to 130. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our second class of water sleeves drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.